everybody. Hi, it's Becky from Power Tools with Thread. I've got a real treat for you embroiderers today. If you are brand new to embroidery, there is a company called Kimberbell, and Kimberbell makes the absolute cutest projects that you can make with your embroidery machine. I personally have been a Kimberbell customer for years and years. I have many of their CDs that I have purchased from my local quilt store, and I have made all of these projects. We've got mug rugs, there are bench pillows, there are all kinds of stuff that you can make with Kimberbell products. I've also been to several Kimberbell events, and a Kimberbell event is where you would go to a classroom and you would have instructor-led training to make their projects. And whenever you go to a Kimberbell event, you get a CD with all of the embroidery files on it and a bunch of instructions that tell you how to do it. And then, of course, they give you all the fabrics and everything too. Kimberbell is just a wonderful company. They're headquartered out of North Logan, Utah in the United States, and they just are all about cuteness and fun. So every year they do what they call a Bella box. And this is kind of an experience that they want you to enjoy with them. People will order them and then they come in the mail and you have to wait until a certain date to open it. I know, who wants to do that, right? But it's all about the experience and the surprise, and they want everybody to be part of that community. Well, I have a Kimberbell Bella box, and it's time to open it. This is the 2020 Bella box, and I want to show you what's inside. You guys, it's packed full. Awesome. So when you first open the box, you're going to get a card that will tell you everything that is inside the box. And in this box, this is Winter 2020 Machine Embroidery Box. It comes with fabric kits for the Simple Pleasures mug rug, a fabric kit for Together is Happiness fabric frame, a fabric kit for Hearth Lights 3D townhouses, 1-story and 2-story kits, fabric kits for Sweet Harmony quilted basket, fabric kit soft and cozy chenille pillow, a design CD and full color instructions. You get a collectible enamel pin. There's a mini magazine in here. There's Livin' the Kimberbella Life socks, an event locator card, a stabilizer sampler pack, a zipper pouch blank. That's new from Kimberbell. You get a pillow insert to make your chenille pillow, wool felt balls and fairy lights, paper tape, Kimberbell paper tape, and Stitched, which is an online group that you can join and share your finished products. So let's get into the box and see what's in here. The first thing that's here, this is your pillow insert. So it was sucked down pretty good. So there's your pillow insert for your chenille pillow. This is fairly good size. It's really nice. Okay. Here is your invitation for the online event to Stitched. It is live December 3rd at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. So there's your invite to that. And if you want to attend a Kimberbell event, they have all these different events that you can go to, and they show you what's available out there. You can do these online now since none of us can get out. So that's kind of cool, isn't it? And here's your Bella box. It shows and describes your 7 projects. Look at those 3D houses. Aren't they so cute? This is awesome. So this has your magazine, and it just talks about Kimberbell and all of the products that they have and the projects and things. And there's lots of techniques that are used in here too that are for experienced embroiderers as well as beginners. But they walk you through everything step by step, and I think you're just gonna love this. Okay. One of the best things about Kimberbell are their instructions. And if you are afraid of doing one of these, or you're intimidated by it and you think, oh, there's no way, you guys, I got to tell you, there is no way you can mess this up. Let me show you how the instructions in Kimberbell projects work. I'm going to open up the one for, oh, this is cute. Keep warm and drink tea. This is for their mug rug. Isn't that just precious? So when you open up your instruction pamphlet. Everything is in full color. It shows you all of the fabrics that you're going to need, and it gives you all the examples of stuff. And then it just goes step by step by step. And it shows you exactly where to put your tape, how things need to be laid out. If they have, they'll have different machine embroidered steps. It'll have a little sewing machine there. Okay. If you see a little thread spool with a color thread on it, that means it's time to change your thread color to match if you want. There is just, you guys, it's step by step. They walk you through every little thing. I'm going to make this. This is adorable. I might have to do a video on this. It's too cute. So every one of the projects in this box has a pamphlet with it with step-by-step full color brochure instructions. Okay, here is the CD with all of your design files. There you go. So here are your quilted baskets, your mug rug, there is your picture frame, and there's your little houses. Cute. Very nice. So the quilted basket, they give you all of the fabric and stabilizer and interfacing and everything that you need to make this quilted basket right here. Everything is all included in one. Here are all of the fabrics and everything you need to make the little mug rug. Here's everything you need to make the fabric frame. It has the lace hanger in it and everything. Stabilizers, everything. Here are the hearth lights for the 2-story house. Oh my gosh, you guys. These houses light up from inside. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. There's all your fabrics and everything. Here are the hearth lights, 3D houses, 1-story house. Isn't that cute? You guys, they have the lights in there. See that? They come with the lights to light up from the inside. That is so awesome. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, here is the new zipper pouch blank. Mine has the small 6x8 olive felt. Now, a lot of you, I've been in events where people say, I've never put a zipper in my life, and I'm terrified of doing it. You guys, it's very easy. But Kimberbell made it even easier by doing the zipper for you to make the pouch. So this is a new product from Kimberbell, and you get one in your box just to show you what it's going to be like. And then you can make your own felt pouch. But don't forget, you could embroider on the outside it if you wanted to do a monogram on there. Isn't that nice? All right, moving on. This is their stabilizer set. So they have sticky back tearaway. Let's open this up and get in here and see what you got. They have wash away topping embroidery stabilizer and fusible backing. That's nice. Wash away topping, fusible backing, flexi foam stabilizers. Very nice. And in here, we have shape form interfacing, a 9x22 inch piece. Wash away. They show you how to lay out the fabrics on here. And then here is a piece of sticky back tearaway embroidery stabilizer. So you're going to need all of these to make all of your projects that they have in here. Okay. This is just awesome. This is like Christmas. All right, here is our little enamel pin. Represents that little house, the collectible pin. My home, my haven enamel pin. And you get a roll of Kimberbell tape. This is very handy. I just made a set of pot holders using Kimberbell's We Wish You a Merry Christmas fabric. And I used all kinds of that tape on there. All right. We have, this is the soft and cozy chenille pillow pack. So this is a fairly decent sized pillow, you guys. So you got all the fabric for that. And here's your pillow form. And it will cover it all. That is going to be too cute. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. Let me pull it out of the wrapper. Isn't that adorable? That's a beautiful pillow. Look at that. You get creamy linen oatmeal background and back, and porcelain white velveteen applique and chenille, and then the 14 by 14 pillow insert. This is nice stuff. Very nice. Isn't that cool? And here are your red and white wool felt pom-pom balls for your project. How cute. And the best of all, socks. How cute. Kimberbella Life socks. These are adorable. Y'all, I'm a huge fan of these socks. I'm wearing my Missouri Star socks right now. Oh, you got to be dressed for the occasion. These are so cute, you guys. So, love. These are great. So you have your Kimberbell K on there. Oh, and then on the bottom, what do they say on the bottom? Living the Kimberbella life. How cute. I love these. I know, I'm a nut. Hey, guess what? Do you want one? Kimberbell has given me a box, a Bella box to give away to one of you. The giveaway is only going to be open until the end of the week. So on Friday, December 4th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time is when the giveaway is going to close. If you want to win your very own Bella box, please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. There's a little red box down there that says subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notifications, and then leave me a comment that says, I'm a Kimberbella too. I'm a Kimberbella too. I'm going to look for that, okay? If you want to get your own Bella box, there's a link below as well where you can purchase it. And none of these projects are available anywhere else. You can only get them inside the Bella box. They're exclusive to the Bella box. So this is going to be a lot of fun. This is going to keep me very busy. You guys, you know, we're at home. We need stuff to do, and this is just going to be too much fun. All right, you guys, again, you've got until Friday, December 4th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. You need to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then leave me a comment that says, I'm a Kimberbella too. We'll talk to you soon. Go sew something. Bye.